I have a problem. I have chickens and I have rats that have invaded my chicken coop. I've put bucket traps out, I've put sticky traps out, I've put snap traps out. And I've caught a lot, but my population still keeps growing. I have done some research and apparently rats can't burp. I don't want to put a poison out because I don't want my chickens to get it after it dies, and I also don't want my dogs to get the rats. But in my research, I have found they like Jiffy Corn Bread mix. Baking soda will kill them. They won't eat just plain baking soda. You mix it with the Jiffy mix, they'll eat it. However, I found something to sweeten the pot a little bit. Guys, this is bacon grease. This is maple bacon grease. So it's going to be a sweet smell that's going to attract the rats. And I think they will probably eat a lot more of it with that in there. And it's also going to help bind it together. So you're supposed to use like a 2-to-1 ratio. Well, this is 16 ounces. This is 8.5. That's close enough whenever you're mixing up something like this. I'm going to open this. I'm going to mix these two together. Have you all ever used anything like this? If you have, please let me know. A lot of people have had great success with this, and I fully expect to do the same thing. Don't have to be perfect. We're not entering a baking contest here. I have another spoon. I'm just going to get some of this bacon grease that I held on to specifically for this reason. There's so many of them out there. They're even really active during the day. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this out there. I have a empty chicken feeder that we use for growing out chicks. So I'm just going to put this in there and we're going to see how long it takes them to get into it. So, guys, let's go outside of the chicken coop. I have an old plastic bowl that I'm going to set up here on top of my nest boxes. As you can see, there's rat evidence in here. So spread that out nice and neat. That way when they get into it, I can tell. And then this one, I'm going to put it all around the bottom, and I'm going to set this one down on the ground because I'm tired of these things. I don't want them hurting my chickens, and I don't want them eating my chicken food. From my research, it could take 3 or 4 days for this to be able to be seen. So I'll put the rest of it right here. Mop this excess off. And that's nice and level right there. So that's where that's going to go. As you can see, there's none that has been knocked out, and none right here. So fingers crossed that this gets rid of our problem, because I'm tired of these things. I'm heading out to the chickens to see if the rats have been into the Jiffy mix and baking soda and bacon concoction that I came up with. They have been. It's not quite as smooth around here as what it was, so they've eaten quite a bit of that. And there's evidence of them being on this one because it was smooth and there was none on the edges. So now, guys, we wait and see and start hoping for the best. I will definitely keep you updated if I find any. Alright, girls. I know it's breakfast time. Let's get this turned off and get these girls fed. Okay, I'm coming into the chicken coop. This is night number 2. And they have scratched dirt over into this one, into the bottom. They've eaten quite a bit of the Jiffy baking soda and baking grease mixture. But this one seems to be the favorite spot. They've dug a lot of it out. They've actually used the bathroom in it and on top of it. But the majority of this one is empty. Now, I have to tell you, yesterday the chickens had a rat in there. Whether it is one that ate our bait or not, I can't tell you. But they are getting into it, and I have had evidence of one less rat, put it that way. So we'll watch this for a day or two and go from there. Okay, last night was night number 3 of having the homemade rat bait out, and as you can see, they've been in it again. They've scratched it out again, pooped in it again, and this is lower than what it was. It seems to me the one up here on the nest boxes is getting the most attention. Now, so far I have seen evidence of one dead one, and it was in the chicken run. Whether the Jiffy mix, baking soda, and bacon grease contributed to that or not, I'm not sure. According to Google, they only need to have a 1/4 teaspoon of the baking soda. So if they eat a 1/2 teaspoon or a little over, then that should, well, I'm talking about everything mixed together, that should be enough to do the job that I need done. We'll see. I'll update you when I see more, or a little bit later on, I will update you on the fact that I do or do not see as much activity. Because right now, can you see this? That is a rat up there between the tarps. So they're everywhere, guys. I have to do something to get rid of them. I cannot have them like this in my chicken coop all the time. It's just not healthy at all for my chickens. Can you see the movement on here? Today is day 6 of having my baking soda, Jiffy mix, and cornbread stuff out. They've eaten almost every bit of it. However, the only dead rat that I have seen is the one that the chickens caught the day after I put it in there. So I think that was just a coincidence. So in my honest opinion, this does not work. as far as being able to kill a rat. So maybe it works for you, I don't know, but guys, this is something I'm going to chalk up to a failure. Now I want to try something different to try to get these rats out of my chicken coop. Thanks for watching, and I hope this experiment helped you as much as what it did me. I'll see you guys on that next video.